back to Pure Bright Beauty. Thank you so much for joining me again. So today I'm going to talk about the new Kjaer Weis lip glosses. I'm so excited to share them with you. I am going to go through them color by color and even pair them with other products so you can see what they look like with other lip products. And I do have to apologize, we lost the footage of the intro to this video, so I am reshooting it on another day, but wanted to make sure we got this video out to you guys as soon as possible. So now I'm going to talk a little bit about the colors, the undertones, and how amazing they all are individually. So what I have on my lips today is the Affinity with the Mauve pencil. And I love this because it's a soft, sheer rose color. It's definitely more for your cool undertone. And a quick fun fact about cool undertones, you know you're a cool undertone if you look at your wrist and your blood vein is blue. If your blood vein is green, you're more of a warm undertone. So the next color I'm going to talk about is Cherish. This is one that I'm super drawn to. It's a lighter shade. It's probably the lightest one they have. It's definitely a mod color. It's a nice nude rose. Definitely wear a lot of bronzer and a strong defined eyeliner with this, but it is truly a beautiful color. The next color I'm going to talk about is Courage, and this I would say is the brightest color that comes in this gloss color range. It is a beautiful coral, it's a mood lifting color, it is fun, it's perfect for summer, it's perfect if you go to Palm Springs, it's amazing. It's just a really fun punch of color. The next color I'm going to talk about is Fascination. And this color is more on the warm side. It's a little bit of a dressier nude. It has a little bit of a raspberry undertone to it. It's great for that date night that you don't want your lips to walk in before you do. So what's great about this color and Courage is that they're gonna be that pop of color to brighten up your face without the commitment of having that long wear lip stain or lipstick. You're not gonna have to worry about any user errors, so if you get it outside your lines, it's easy to fix. Then I'm going to talk about Tenderness. This is probably going to be my go-to bridal lip gloss for girls. It reminds me of that perfect neutral shade Viva Glam 5 from MAC. It's that perfect nude. It gives you enough color, but it's not too much color. And the last one is Treasure, last but not least. This one is kind of a peachy nude. So it's a nice springtime nude. It's more sheer. It's great for every day. It's that perfect gloss that you don't even need a mirror for. You just kind of apply it. So now I'm going to go into showing you some pairings with these glosses to show you some of Kjaer Weis's existing lip colors and lip products and what you can pair which gloss with what. So the first pairing I'm going to talk about is Sensuous Plum Lip Tint, and I love Kjaer Weis's lip tints. You can really push it into your lip and get a nice soft stain look with it, or you can kind of layer it and punch up the color. I like to do the Sensuous Plum really sheer, like almost like a soft stain, and then apply the Tenderness lip gloss over it, and it's a really beautiful neutral lip. So the next pairing I'm going to talk about is the Fascination lip gloss. This is one of those punch of color colors, and so you would apply the gloss first, and then I would, to tone it down a little bit, make it a little bit more neutral, mix in, apply the rose lip liner, and then kind of add a little bit more of that gloss on top to give a smoother look. So when you apply the liner after the gloss, you get a softer line. So the last pairing that I'm going to talk about is with one of Kjaer Weis's lipsticks, and the color I picked was Affection. If you haven't tried their lipsticks yet, you have to. They have such a beautiful pigment. They stay really well, and they have a great punch of color. So I would apply the lipstick first, and then I'm going to put the Treasure on top. And this tones down that lipstick, but keeps the color a little bit because the Treasure is really sheer and soft. And the end result of this pairing is that perfect spring salmon color. So if that's what you're looking for this upcoming spring, this combination is for you. So thank you so much for joining me for today's video. These glosses are amazing. They feel super lightweight. There's no stick to them. I am a huge fan of these new Kjaer Weis lip glosses. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or if you have any video requests, please leave a comment below or email me. My email is in the description link below. And also, if you're new to clean beauty and you're looking to clean up your beauty routine but you don't know where to start, I do have a free resource guide on my website, and I'll put a link in the description box below as well. And what it has is it has information on when to toss your product that you have already so you can work through what you have, what ingredients to avoid, and a little bit more information to help you transition to green beauty a little bit more smooth. So thank you again, and I'll see you next week.